When I speak about Mom, I section her life off into 3 chapters. The first chapter is when we were in California. She was a very free spirit, and we did a lot of traveling. We interacted with a lot of coastal tribal people, and my sister and I went to an Indian school, and it was just vastly different. And then when we came to Oklahoma, Mom started getting into working for the tribe. Her demeanor was changing. Her as a person was changing, and by the time she was deputy chief and then into becoming a chief, she was different. And so she became Wilma Mankiller, that people know in the 2nd chapter of her life. And then after she left office and went through the first bout of cancer, which was non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, she became a beautiful mixture of the first 2 chapters. So the 3rd chapter of her life was still this professional Wilma that was fighting for the rights of everything, basically. But she became fun-loving again. She liked to dance and sing and, have fun. She had a great sense of humor.